Hello everyone, I'm Jackie. Today we are talking about network equipment monitoring. Many people aim to get certified to enter large-scale networks. But with so many devices, how can we quickly detect and respond to issues like network attacks? This is where monitoring software comes in, such as Zabbix or Cacti or Quadway Side. They monitor device health, hardware status, and get logs. When the device fails, it will notify us by short message or email. They are available all day and notify us immediately, so we can address problem quickly. In short, monitoring is important in large-scale network environments. Okay, that's all. If you have any question, leave a comment below and subscribe my channel. See you again, everyone.